Hi, I'm Elisa, one of the food editors here at Taste. Over the past few months, our team has been working hard behind the scenes to improve our site, and I'm so excited to show you the updates we've made. We've completely reimagined the design, not just a fresh look, but a whole new way to discover, cook, and enjoy food. It's now easier than ever to find what you need with smart filters, new categories, and quicker ways to browse your favorite recipes. We've added new in-demand sections like trending and top picks, plus more community favorites. One of the features we're most excited about? We've teamed up with Coles to make all 50,000 of our recipes shoppable. That means with a couple of clicks, you can now add ingredients straight to your Coles cart and turn your recipe ideas into dinner fast. It's the biggest change we've made to the site in years, and it's all about making your experience even better. Come explore the new taste.com.au. We can't wait to hear what you think.